The basics of cryptocurrency investing for beginners. Intro. Video begins with dramatic background music, a globe spinning, and the text. The digital gold rush has begun. Are you ready? Narration. Inspirational tone. Imagine this. It's 2035. You're sitting on a beach, sipping your favorite drink, living a life of financial freedom. How did you get here? Simple. You took action at the right time. But here's the catch. The time is now. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, where opportunities are endless, but so are the risks if you're not prepared. Are you ready to learn the basics and secure your financial future? Let's dive in. Pattern interrupt. Wait, before we begin, if you think crypto is all about memes and overnight riches, think again. Let's separate the hype from the real deal, shall we? ACT1. The hook. Why crypto matters. Narration. Cryptocurrency isn't just digital money, it's a financial revolution. Think of it as the internet in its early days. Remember when people thought the internet was a fad? Fast forward to today, it's a necessity. Similarly, crypto is changing the way we think about money, ownership, and investment. Emotional trigger. Fear. But here's the truth. Ignoring crypto now could mean missing out on one of the greatest wealth-building opportunities of our lifetime. Transition. Alright, let's cut through the noise and focus on what really matters. The basics that every beginner must know. ACT2. The build-up 3 key principles of crypto investing. Narration. The first rule? Start small. Invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto markets are volatile. One day you're up 20%, the next you're down 30%. But here's the beauty. Every dollar you invest is a dollar you spend learning. Think of it as tuition for the wealth-building school. Narration. Second, research is your best friend. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal. Bitcoin is the king, Ethereum is the innovator, and then there are over 20,000 others. Some are solid projects, others, well, let's just call them digital junk. Narration. Finally, think long-term. Forget about day trading unless you want to gamble. Focus on holding, or as the crypto world calls it, hodling, for the future. Because while prices might swing wildly today, the long-term trend has historically been upward. Pattern interrupt. Humor, and hey, if you lose $50, you're just giving up a fancy dinner, not your life savings. Cliffhanger. But how do you spot the gems from the scams? I'll explain in just a moment. Emotional trigger. Excitement. Imagine holding Bitcoin when it was $500, and now it's over $25,000. That's the power of patience. Transition. Now that you know the principles, let's look at the next steps to get started. ACT3. The resolution. How to take action. Narration. So, where do you begin? Here's a simple roadmap. 1. Pick a reliable platform like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. 2. Start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're the most established and safest bets. 3. Diversify gradually as you gain confidence. Think of it like building a financial portfolio. Cliffhanger, urgency, and here's the kicker. The earlier you start, the better positioned you'll be for the future. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity. Pattern interrupt. Humor. Unless you're planning to invent the next Bitcoin yourself. Which, well, good luck with that. Outro. Narration. Inspirational tone. Cryptocurrency isn't just an investment, it's a mindset, a step toward financial freedom. But remember, it all starts with taking the first step. Start small, stay informed, and think long-term. CTA. Before you go, there's one more thing you need to unlock your financial potential: the power of compounding. Click the video on your screen now to discover how small investments today can snowball into massive wealth tomorrow. I'll see you there.